along the coast, you will find a little bit of icy weather and wet weather coming in across the Ohio Valley. And then settling down across the region on Thursday. You may want to take advantage of this quieter weather to have somebody get out there and shovel off your roof, because we are looking at significant snow on your roof. Add to that, we could see some heavy rains coming in this weekend. That could lead to some real problems with heavy pack on top of your roof box.
An inch of snow to add insult to injury. The other area of snow that's left from the storm, the band of snow that brought that record snowfall to Boston, is now well north of Massachusetts and could bring a couple inches there today. Let's focus in on that portion of the remaining snowstorm. Boston radar not operational right now, so we're not seeing some light snow still southeast of Boston, now on the tip 3 inches in the Portland and Augusta, Maine area. We're going to go live now to Boston to reporter